Hello everyone, my name is Fatimi. I'm assistant professor in RPIIT Karnal. Today we are going to learn about issues in knowledge representation in artificial intelligence, and we have already discussed in my previous video about what is knowledge representation and the types of knowledge representation. Today we'll start and continue with issues in knowledge representation. It is a very critical area in artificial intelligence that's structuring the information in a way that machines can process and reason about the its in the form of effectively and efficiently. Comes with several challenges. First of all, it is expressivity or versus efficiently. How much knowledge representation aims to capture the wide area of real world knowledge, including the complex, abstract, and the nuanced concepts, nuanced, very new form of concept, where the efficiency also matters and more expressive representation often lead to the computational inefficiency, making reasoning slower or intractable, where the very less amount of reasoning is being done. Ambiguity where the natural languages and human concepts are inherently ambiguous. It means that translating these into precise unambiguous representation is very challenging. The word bank could refer to the financial institutions. Also we can call bank as the side of a river, so these both our words are in the ambiguity situation. Incompleteness. No knowledge representation system can capture the entirely of real world knowledge, and the representation often omit details, leading to reasoning that might not fully align into reality. Then there is a scalability. Knowledge representation must handle vast amount of data. Contextuality, that is it is knowledge is basically often context dependent. It means that in a way that representing and reasoning about the knowledge that adapts to verify the concepts is very difficult. For example, meaning of fast differ from for a sprinter, a car, or a computer. Car can also run very fast and computer can also run fast, so it's like where the context is different but we can use the same word. Then the uncertainty, it means that many real situations which involves the uncertainty, and it must be an account for incomplete, inconsistent, or problematic information. Then the next one is integration of the diverse knowledge types, where the real world knowledge includes the procedural, declarative, or compositions knowledge, dynamic and involving knowledge. Knowledge consistently evolves, and the knowledge representation systems must adapt to new information. Then there is one representation bias, where we can say introduces the knowledge is represent can introduce biases, means affecting reasoning outcomes. For example, over reliance on specific ontologies might limit the diverseness of the any particular area. And alignment with human understanding, that means representation must align close with the human reasoning for effective machine learning collaborations. Common sense reasoning, where very common knowledge remains the major challenge. For example, understanding the water flows downhill and or object tend to fall when dropped. So these kind of common sense reasoning being taken care of. Knowledge, that is one issue being seen in the knowledge representation. Knowledge extraction and acquisition, it means that automatically extracting and structured knowledge from unstructured data sources such as text, images is error prone. Then there are some more conflict resolution and ethical privacy concerns. These are, and what are the solutions and approaches which being used in the knowledge representation, that is hybrid systems, ontology, probabilistic reasoning, crowdsourcing, and automation. So these all are some solutions which been taken care in knowledge representation, where the ontologies is the best one, where the flexibility uh, depends and compressiveness being done in the complex contextuality way. So this is it for the video. If you like our channel, do like and subscribe. Thank you.